Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the value of x plus x and in bracket x power x when x is equals to 2. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm going to put the value of x in place of x as 2. So 2 plus 2 and in bracket 2 power 2. So according to bodmas rule, first we need to solve the bracket. So in bracket, it is 2 power 2. So 2 square is 4. So if there is no sign between two numbers, that means there is a multiplication sign. Now we have two signs. First is addition and then multiplication. But as per bodmas rule, we have to give preference to multiplication first and then addition. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 plus 8 is 10. So our final value is 10 for this question. I hope it's easy to find and you find it useful. Please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.